South Africa, number one, has a very favorable solar resource. You know, with the Areva renewable group, there's biomass, there's offshore wind, and then there's solar, as you know. So first and foremost, what we look at in terms of our deployment of our solar technology, does the geographic region have solar resource? And fortunately, South Africa is blessed with a lot of solar resources. Secondly, you know, we know that the regulatory framework is forthcoming, it's evolving, and we see a large proponent of renewable energy. And we know that solar energy is going to be one of those components. And so from an Areva renewable perspective and from an Areva perspective, we very much want to participate in the renewable energy program here, and we intend to capture, you know, as much of that solar component as we possibly can. Local industry will benefit tremendously. As I mentioned in my presentation, it's not just about deploying technology. This is about creating a local industry. And with the simplicity of our technology, as I mentioned, 60 to 70% can be localized here in country. What does that translate to? That translates to engineering jobs, that translates to manufacturing jobs, that translates to service jobs. And that is what Areva is about. We want to establish a new local industry here in the renewable energy business. And if it's solar, which makes sense here for South Africa, I think that's a fantastic combination.